Hi! Today I'll show you the render material override. This is similar to the thing I showed very first when I was still getting into my voice a bit, which it basically overrides a material based on how you're seeing it, whether it's through a mirror, directly through your face, or through any other method. So we'll go over here where we already have a box parent for a box, which is over here. Now next, what is a material? Well, very simply, that white thing you see on the box, that is the material. So if we go onto our box here, we'll see that we have a mesh renderer where we have our materials list. Now these come numbered with 0, 1, 2, and so on to give the material an actual number. Now, when we go over here and go back to the parent, we can actually attach component, go into rendering, and in here we'll have the render material override right above the render transform override. Now, this will, just like the render transform override, give us a context, which is the render context in which it appears. User view, for example, would be the active user. So for example, if I was holding this box with my hand, it would change material. Now, besides that, you could also change it to work only in mirrors. Now, one thing to keep in mind is this currently is actually not a mirror. The way that I do these generally is on a camera, so we'll have to swap over to a mirror, which you'll see I am much farther away and smaller, which is why I generally use a camera that I have modified. But now, if we click Add, and set the index to 0, which you can easily know which index to use, because this number here should be matching the number on the mesh renderer here that you're trying to change. Then we simply grab a different material, like this red one here, and just slot that into the material, and grab the box or the mesh renderer itself. But we're going to be grabbing the slot that the mesh renderer is actually on, and simply slotting that into the renderer. And now if I look in the mirror, we now have a red box. There is really endless ways that you can make use of this. The most obvious funny that you can do with this is look different outside here than inside of the mirror. And then when you walk up next to someone, they're going to be looking at the mirror, seeing you one way, look at you and be like, what? But yeah. I hope that this video helps you understand what the material override does, and I hope you have fun with it. It is a very fun component. Bye!